Comedy. Full comedy has started in Pakistan. Full comedy. After India has thrashed Pakistan by 4 wickets, some new controversy has arrived in the social media and people are analyzing it and saying that Nawaz has bowled a no ball in the final over, right? That no ball, Virat Kohli has hit a fantastic six. They are saying that umpires have fixed the match, BCI have fixed the match with the ICC, it seems. It is not a no ball, it's a fixing, it seems, it's a cheating, it seems. Like that they are giving allegations. Are ghante ka laude ka. It is a clear-cut no ball. Clear-cut no ball, 6. Pakistan have lost, India has won. Clear-cut defeat, digest the defeat, that's it. If you cannot digest it, इनो भेजता हूँ, इनो पी लो, डाइजेशन हो जाएगा. अगर डाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा है तो 2-3 दिन में पॉटी कर लो, डाइजेशन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. तो ये बात है. और बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो रहा था कि बाबर आएगा, किंग बाबर. अरे लौड़े का किंग. अर्शदीप सिंह हैज रिटन अ हिस्ट्री. फर्स्ट बॉलर ऑफ इंडिया टू बॉल इन द वर्ल्ड कप. फर्स्ट डिलीवरी he has picked up मेरे लौड़े का किंग बाबर आजम्स विकेट. दैट इज द हिस्ट्री बुक्स. That is so-called king. Nonsense. And he has taken the wicket of Rizwan also. Both of them पटरी में डाल दिया पूरा. पटरी में डाल दिया. क्या खेला यार, क्या खेला. Means absolutely superb. Absolutely superb. Means after that Asia Cup drop catch, means so much allegations was made and so much blame came. Even I said that you cannot drop such a dolly of a catch. You just cannot drop that. That catch drop, no excuse. But I said one thing, that catch you cannot drop, but he's a fantastic bowler. वो अच्छा बॉलर हो सकते हैं लेकिन ऐसा आप कैचेस ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते हो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. मैंने बोला था. तो ही इज अ फैंटास्टिक बॉलर. ही हैज प्रूव्ड यस्टरडे. व्हाट अ विकेट. इवन दैट आसिफ अली, अरे उसका जगह ही नहीं बनता है. तो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट. इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेमिंग दिस अंपायर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, ब्लेम योर कैप्टन बाबर आजम. बाबर आजम हैज डन अ कंप्लीट मिसकैलकुलेशन इन द टीम सिलेक्शन. ही हैज पिक्ड ओनली 5 बॉलिंग ऑप्शंस. ही हैज पिक्ड अप. आसिफ अली का जगह ही नहीं बनता है ये टीम में. He should have taken one more extra bowler, or he could have given the Chachu 1 over, because yesterday he batted really well. He bowls a little off spin. He could have given him 1 over. He could have given, but he has done a complete miscalculation, and India has simply thrashed Shaheen Shah Afridi, who they were hyping so much. Shaheen Shah Afridi will take off Virat Kohli's wicket for a duck. Will send back Virat Kohli for a duck, and all big talks they are putting. All talks सब गान में चला गया. पूरा 17 रन मार के पूरा शाहीन शाह अफरीदी फिट ही नहीं था. मतलब generally bowls 146 to 158 kilometers per hour, but yesterday he was bowling at 130 to 135 kilometers per hour, 10 kilometers per hour slower. So Indian batsman just simply smashed him. No wickets also they have given to Shaheen Shah Afridi. Absolutely brilliant. And the shot, what to say, of Haris Rauf in the 18.5 delivery, straight back he has hit. Superb. That is a shot of the tournament here. That is the best shot in Virat Kohli's whole career here. What a shot that one was. Impossible shots. And mind you, Haris Rauf was bowling absolutely fantastic well yesterday. He has picked up 2 wickets. He has picked up. Seriously, he was on form. Uska din tha kal. And especially that is Haris Rauf's home ground, because he has played more in BBL, Big Bash League, compared to what he has played domestic cricket in Pakistan. So Melbourne is his home ground. He has bowled a lot in MCG. Yesterday was his home ground. So that's why he has struck a 6 also. So Haris Rauf was having little bit of cough. But after Virat Kohli hit that 2 sixes, no, सब cough गांड में चला गया पूरा. सब गांड से अंदर बाहर आ गया पूरा. सब cough. Means impossible यार. Seriously, after 10th over, the team talk which Hardik Pandya has given, the self-belief, the confidence, saying that मैं spinner को संभालता हूँ, आप फास्ट बॉलर को संभालो. From 31 for 4, dear viewers, from 31 for 4 to 140 runs, means 110 runs partnership both have scored. Seriously, that was amazing partnership here. Means mind-blowing partnership. Means words are not enough. Means to compensate it. 23rd October 2022, India versus Pakistan. That about this partnership between Hardik Pandya and Virat Kohli, a mini web series can be made about this match. Seriously, a mini web series can be made about this match, and then real words can be described in that web series. Seriously, taking the interview and everything. That Gabba's web series was launched. Similarly, about this match, one web series can be made here. What a means turnaround. Seriously, what a turnaround. What self-confidence, what belief. Means absolutely superb, man. दाब देना, salute करता हूँ यार. 110 runs partnership, and Virat Kohli played the career best innings. career best innings. This innings is higher than that Mohali innings against Australia in the 2016 World Cup. Seriously, given the situation, given the pressure, and 90,000 people were there inside the stadium. And so long boundaries, 85 meters, 90 meters, only one short boundary was there, 75 meters. Remaining all were above 85 meters boundaries. Twos to threes, singles to twos, like that you have to convert like that. It requires a lot of fitness, lot of stamina and everything. And people were saying that Virat Kohli's career is over. Means Virat Kohli's career is over. Means people were doubting him after that match, especially the defeat against Pakistan in Dubai by 10 wickets. That loss was a difficult to swallow. Difficult pill to swallow, seriously. It was one of the most shameful day in the history of Indian cricket, according to me. That defeat, seriously, first defeat against Pakistan in history of the World Cup, that one was, seriously. So this match against Pakistan was a revenge match, high voltage prestige issue. It was more than a match, this one was. So there he finally stood, and there, though I said during his captaincy time that I said that India needs Virat the batsman more than Virat the captain. In my opinion, it was like that. So Virat the batsman was much more required than Virat the captain. So he gave up his captaincy. It was his call of giving up the captaincy and focus more on his batting. And Virat the batsman was back against Afghanistan itself. That century against a world-class spin side. Seriously, that Afghanistan bowling attack is not a joke, not a ollie-dolly sholly. It is a real world-class spin attack, especially. Rashid Khan, Mujib and all those bowlers are there. Seriously, to score a century against them is not a joke. So Virat the batsman, the confidence, the form and everything came back against that match only. Though the media was saying that, Pakistani media especially, they are saying that Afghanistan simply fixed the match. Then against Pakistan, Virat won't be able to cross even 20 runs. Forget about 100, like that. कल सबके मुंह में एक तमाचा, अच्छे से एक खींच के तमाचा मारा पूरा. सबका मुंह का पूरा काला कर दिया, पूरा काला कर दिया कल. Means he played the innings, career best innings against Pakistan, and he simply proved all the doubters wrong. Absolutely proved doubters wrong. In my opinion, Virat Kohli should be sending opening here. Now his career means it's his career best form right now. In my opinion, send him opening. If he plays opening, then he can score 2 or 3 centuries here. He can score 2 or 3 centuries. Seriously, he'll get more time. Because first phase of his innings, if you see, he takes time. His strike rate is around 80s to 100. But second phase of the innings, the strike rate goes from 80, 100 to 180, 210, 230, 240, like that it goes. He accelerates. He adapts very well. And yesterday, Melbourne ground, seriously, was the best ground for Virat Kohli here. Best ground. It suits his game perfectly. It's a huge ground. You need stamina, fitness, and he has both of them, and he has a great presence of mind. Especially that free hit delivery when it hit the stumps. When it hit the stumps and went back, that presence of mind was not there in the Pakistani fielders. So they are blaming everything. They are playing the blame game because their players couldn't do anything. झाट का बाल भी उखाड़ नहीं सका, ठीक है? इसलिए blame game कर रहा है. तो Virat Kohli took three runs he has taken. That one was. Means 3 runs India has got from that delivery. After hitting the stumps, great presence of mind, and they were saying that it's a dead ball. It seems dead ball. What a joke! What a joke! Dead ball. It seems it hit the stumps and going, so it's a dead ball. It seems like that. So there is no presence of mind in the Pakistani fielders, Pakistani bowlers. No presence of mind. Virat Kohli had great presence of mind, and that made the difference. And India has won. Pakistan has lost. Digest the defeat. If you cannot digest, I'll send you Eno. Drink that one and digest it. That's it. Whoa!